So very good noon. We will wait for 1 to 2 minutes so that anyone join. Then only we should start the session. So, so we should start. Okay. So, in the previous lecture, we will discuss about the star corona. Okay, it's, due to some avalanche breakdown, some partial discharge. Okay, so on that thing we will discuss. Okay, so today we will discuss more about the corona effect due to the partial breakdown process and as well as the various kind of breakdown which will be takes place in the dielectric medium. Okay, so what will be the different aspect we will see in due to the corona effect, okay, in the high voltage engineering application. So that thing we will discuss today. Hmm. So let's quickly go to the share screen so that you will comfortably observe what is going on. Okay. So is my screen is visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So in the previous lecture, we will discuss this three things: the development of the corona in the extreme non-uniform field, because we are considering the potential breakdown in extremely non-uniform field. So, development of star corona we will already discuss more than 100 kV. So, the star corona we will observe. Okay, and we will also discuss some mechanism how the development of the corona which will takes place. Okay. So we will also discuss the this particular characteristics, okay, of a field in the gap and as well as field in the region of an ionization process that takes place due to the corona effect, right? And we will also discuss the electric field intensity distribution between the points to point electrode, point plane electrodes having a potential breakdown occurred, okay, or the partial discharge which will now occurred in a negative point and as well as the positive point planes of an electrode that will be in configuration. That thing we will discuss. Okay, so and we will also discuss this particular graph, this particular impulse characteristics of the impulse diagram, which will form due to the partial discharge current measurement at a negative point electrodes. Okay, so that thing we will already discuss, and how we will develop the star corona having a potential breakdown on the pulse frequency. Depending upon the pulse frequency, how the impulse voltage will be reacted due to any form of a potential breakdown measures that in a negative point electrodes that we will discuss in the previous lectures. Okay, so how this particular signals will be overlapping with each other, how the impulse will overlapping with each other in form of a potential breakdown current measurement. That thing we will discuss. So today we will discuss more about the star corona, how it will be developed again, and we will little bit discuss about the development of a canal discharge, which will be also be known as a streamer discharge or the corona discharge, and also we have another discharge which will be known as a leader corona, development of a leader corona, right? So we will directly move to the today's session. We will going to observe. Okay, so yes, we will going to observe the this particular thing and this one. Okay, so this is number one and number two we will discuss today, right? If the time will permit. Okay, so first is the development of a steamer or the canal discharge, which will be also known as a corona discharge, right? So what does particular steamer or the canal discharge is actually signified and how it will be developed? Okay, it should be written in this particular paragraph. It should be written that if the field distribution between the point plane, because we are considering which type of electrodes, we are considering the point plane electrodes, right? We have to consider the point plane electrode, right? So if I consider the point plate electrodes, we have to mainly consider the what will be my field distribution in the point plate electrode system, right? So there should have some modification of this particular field distribution in the point plate electrodes, having some modification in such a way that the field intensity, okay, at the tip of the electrode is not more, okay, not more than star corona. Okay, so we have to develop or we have to construct the field distribution in a point plane electrode system in such a way that my field intensity, which will be defined as a e I, okay, so that will be not much higher than, that will be not much higher than, not much higher than the star corona. Okay, so whatever the development we will see, so that will be not much developed. So that will be the mechanism for the developing of a steamer or the canal discharge or the corona discharge. So the actually the mean of a steamer discharge or the canal discharge is nothing but a system which will be considered as a point paid electrode system. Okay, so if I consider the point paid electrode system, so the field distribution of this particular point paid electrode system, okay, we have to modify this system in such a way that my electric field intensity is not much higher than my star corona. Okay, I give you for an example. Here also it should be written that, okay, so by increasing the radius of the curvature at the point, okay, taking much suitably a rod, suppose we are considering one rod, right, and we have to taken into consideration if a point paid electrodes on a positive ions and for the negative ions. So we have to consider, we have to increase the radius. Okay, so this will be suppose this portion that will be your supposed to be the r. Okay, so we have to increase the radius of the curvature of the point, taking more suitably a rod in a place of a needle electrodes. Okay, so needle electrodes will be look like this one, just like as a pencil, right? Just like as a pencil, and we have to increase my the radius. Okay, so that will be my radius. Okay, if I putting the some rod over here, okay, so what is happen that key for achieving this particular scenario, okay, we have to increase the radius of the curvature of radius of the rod. We are if whatever the rod we are putting to the particular needle electrodes, okay, so that will increase the depth region of a, that will increase the depth region of a delx. Okay, so del x, that will depends upon the curvature, radius curvature of a particular rod, which will be assigned in a particular needle electrodes, right? So where we can say that the impact ionization and the partial breakdown which will be possible due to the given voltage applied to the particular electrodes. So what is it is told that for a point scale or the point plate electrode system, if I consider the point plate electrode system, and if I have to modify the point plate electrode system in a such a way that my field intensity EI should be not much higher than my star corona. For operating this particular phenomenon, we have to increase the curvature radius of a particular rod, or the curvature radius of a particular point, which will be assigned to a my needle electrodes. And that particular electrodes, if I increase the values of r, okay, so for that cases my depth region, which will be known as a del x, okay, that will also be increased. Okay, so that will also be increased, and due to this particular phenomena, we should know, due to this my impact ionization and the partial breakdown can be possible if only my radius of the curvature and my depth width will increase. Okay, and that will affect the applied voltage of a particular rod will be increased. Okay, so that particular phenomena will be known as a canal discharge of the, or the corona discharge, or we can say that the steamer discharge. So what will be the consequences which will be happen due to the particular development? So as a consequences of the particular interaction between the field, whatever the field we are applied, or whatever the field we are produces by the space charges, okay, and applied basic field, a strong effect of polarity can be observed which can be observed whenever we have to apply some DC voltage for the particular rod. Okay, so in a practical experiences, because we have to dealing with the theoretical calculations, so if I consider the practical observation or the practical experience, that will show that the steamer discharge, this particular steamer discharge. So this particular steamer discharge may be produce a high amount of voltage for this in this particular rod, right? So in this particular, so that will be known as your impulse type of voltage, and that impulse type of voltages that will considered as a plain electrode system for the gap length having a few centimeter. That means if I decrease the radius of this particular rod, so what happened? The corona discharge cannot be takes place, right? So for discharging the corona effect, we have to consider the three things. One is the magnitude of the voltage, the how much we are increase the voltage, what will be my radius of the curvature of a particular rod, and what will be my depth region. Okay, so my canal discharge will be depends upon the fourth thing. One is the magnitude of the voltages. One is the magnitude of voltages. Second one, how much amount of voltage we are applied to the particular rod. Okay, and also the radius, the curvature radius, and the fourth thing is your depth region, that means will be del x. Okay, so depending on that particular parameter, my development of steamer or the corona discharge will be takes place. Okay, so that we can say that the magnitude of the voltage that will required for the higher than whatever the value higher than needed for the production of a star corona, with a below critical amplification of a avalanche. Okay, because a lower field intensity have giving a causes of a lower amount of voltages. Okay, so if we have a lower amount of voltage, so we cannot observe, or we cannot display, or we cannot observe the effect of a star corona or effect of a steamer corona. okay, or the canal discharge. If the applied voltage will be less than your 1000 kV or the 100 kV, okay, so this particular canal discharge cannot be developed. Okay, so this particular discharge is only been developed only when the magnitude of the voltages will be increased, how much amount of voltage we are applied to the particular system or the particular rod, okay, and what will be the curvature of a particular rod, and as well as the depth. Okay, so depth region of a particular needle or the particular needle electrodes, right? So that these are the four things which will be applicable for the development of a steamer or the canal discharge, right? So in this scenario we will consider the positive rod plate electrodes, which will be also be known as a positive steamer corona, right? So these things we will discuss now. So here it should be written that considering a situation. So I have to increase this thing first. So considering a situation after the inception of the avalanche discharge in a region next to the positive rod. So whatever the rod we are considering, so that rod should be have a positive. So this rod having a positive electrodes, right? So positive region, not the negative region. So where the avalanche breakdown has to be grown in a critical amplification order, right? So due to this particular development of a canal discharge, what will be my effect of the positive rod plane? Okay, what will be the effect of the electrode? So the equation will be stated for the positive rod plane electron can be defined as a integration of 0 to xc, 0 to xc alpha of alpha is the primary coefficient into dx. X is actually nothing but a the small gap distance or the depth region del x. Okay, del x is actually nothing but a small distance or the depth region of a particular rod, right? So that is equals to log of, we can say, nx divided by n0, which will be nearly equal to 20. This things is already discussed in the very previous lecture. Okay, so that equation is also been discussed in the very previous lecture, okay, where we can say that particular xc is actually, this particular xc is actually the length of the avalanche breakdown process, okay, when it should be acquired a critical amplification factor. Okay, so the avalanche breakdown which will be developed under such a condition, however, we can say that the field intensity or the field region, we can say field intensity, which will be known as your ei, which will be minimum, field intensity due to the whatever the length of a particular avalanche breakdown system, okay, or the amplification factor. So the values of ei should be minimum when the values of xc, that means the length of the avalanche breakdown process, okay, or the length of a particular amplification factor, okay, will be minimizing. Okay, so if the field intensity will be minimized, so for that cases there will be the requirement of a impact ionization, right? So impact ionization is only been takes place whenever we have a minimum amount of electric field intensity, and due to the minimum amount of field intensity that is happened only when my values of xc, that means the length of an avalanche is, okay, having a minimum value, right? So this equation, that means whatever the equation I have supposed to be this equation 0 to integration, sorry, 0 to xc, which will be the length. Okay, so length of a avalanche breakdown, that is actually alpha into dx. Okay, alpha is actually nothing but a primary coefficient, right? So that is log of nx by n0, and that is nearly equal to comes to the values of 20. That will be due to the numerical calculation, right? So in this particular figure, or in this particular equation, that will be signify the positive rod plane electrode equation, which will be known as a positive rod plane electrode, positive rod plane electrode, or we can say that the steamer corona electrode, right? So in this, from this particular equation, we can say that whenever the electrons at the head, at the tip of the, suppose we are considering this particular needle of a particular electrode, so at the tip of the electrodes, or at the head of the electrode, this section will be considered as a head. So at the electron at the head of the valence, okay, are absorbed immediately by the positive rod electrode, because here we will considering the positive electrodes and we are putting some rod over here. This is also considering having a positive electrode. So the electron at the head, so the electrode we can using the different color, okay. So in this particular head, so the electron at the head of the valence are absorbed immediately by the positive rod electrodes, or we can say that a anode, right? So the positive base charge which we left behind, so the positive base charge will be left behind, can lead the weakening the field intensity, okay. So due to this particular phenomena, our electric field intensity, that will be minimizing, or that will be weaker, okay. So that will be weaker. So this phenomenon is actually known as the positive steamer corona discharge, as because we are considering the positive electrodes. Okay, one second, I have a call. হ্যালো, হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ এসে গেছে অনেকক্ষণ। ঠিক, হ্যাঁ 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 এনেছি, ঠিক আছে, হ্যাঁ গো এনেছি, ঠিক আছে। আরে এখানে তো গ্যাস কানেকশন নেওয়া খুব প্রবলেম, এখানে তো ডোমিসাইল না। আচ্ছা, না এনে নিয়েছি, ঠিক আছে, এনে নিয়েছি। হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে, ঠিক আছে। 558, 558। না না না, 598 নয়, 558 এটা, ঠিক আছে। হ্যাঁ না না, ওটা দরকার নেই, 558টাই ঠিক আছে। ঠিক আছে, ঠিক আছে, শোনো আমি ক্লাস নিচ্ছি, ঠিক আছে, আমি পরে ফোন করছি আবার। হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ ক্লাস হচ্ছে তো, ঠিক আছে। ওকে, so sorry for the interruption. Okay, so due to this particular phenomena will be considered as a positive steamer corona, right? So in this particular scenario, this particular graph we can considered as a schematic of a steamer discharge, okay. This will be the schematic diagram, this will be, and this, okay, will be the schematic diagram, or the schematic diagram of a steamer discharge in front of a positive rod electrodes, with a variation in field and the potential as consequences of a different space charges, right? So here it should be written that, so this particular axis will be considered as a d, okay, capital D, sorry, small d, okay, and the small distance we can consider as a ds, right? So the small distance, if I consider this particular area will be considered as a del x, right? Okay, at a small distance, right? So and this particular axis will be defined as a E max or E, the field intensity. So this particular figure will be the relationship between the E versus my D. Right. So so from this particular graph, what we will see, so there we have a direction of the avalanche. Okay, this is actually the direction. Okay, so here we are putting some anode. Okay, here we are putting some anode, and from the anode this positive ions that will be flows right in that directions. Okay, so in that direction, right? So anode will be directed in that direction, but my avalanche breakdown will be takes place in a opposite direction. Okay, keep remind these things whenever the avalanche breakdown which will be takes place due to the formation of a anode. Okay, or due to the development of a anode, so whatever the direction of my anode in the rod, okay, or in the plate electrodes, so there should have a opposite direction of a avalanche breakdown. Okay, so in this particular cases, what we will see, there will be some correlation between the electric field intensity, okay, and my whatever the gap distance between the two electrodes, right? So whatever the gap distance between the two electrodes, that thing we will see in this particular figure. Okay, where this particular curve I can show in this green portion. Okay, so yes. So in this curvature, we can say this particular curve, this black one, right? So this is actually without a space charge. Whenever we have a without space charge, so that will be the characteristics equation, that will be the characteristics curve, and this particular curve for the set of one, set of second electrodes, third electrodes, and the fourth electrodes. Okay, so this is 1 2 3 4 is the set of electrodes at a position 1, at a position 2, at a position 3, at a position 4, having a distance of a different parameter, right? So whenever my, so that is, that distance will be, that distance, the total distance we will consider as a D, right? And we will considering the small distance having for the single set of anode. Okay, single set of anode. Okay, so this particular del x, that will be considered only for the single set of anode. Okay, and the total distance D will be considered as a 1 2 3 plus 4 set of anode, which will be traveling due to the avalanche breakdown, and that will be my opposite direction. Okay, so whatever the direction of the anode replacement, that direction and the avalanche breakdown direction, that will be completely differ, right? So that will be the characteristics curve for the electron avalanches without space charge. Okay, and this particular graph, this particular graph, this particular graph, and this particular graph will be for the the avalanche breakdown due with space charges, right? So this particular equation will be signified, this particular equation will be signified the characteristics form of a steamer breakdown process, or the, we can say that the canal breakdown, or also we can say that the development of a corona discharge, right? So here also it can be shown that the relationship between, so this particular figure will be relationship between again the u is actually nothing but a my field intensity, whereas we can say that this particular car, the ei is actually nothing but a electric field intensity. So ei and u is nearly equal. So that's why suppose we are considering the ub, so breakdown voltages in the very previous lecture, ub is actually nothing but a breakdown breakdown voltages. So due to this breakdown voltages, what will be my field intensity? That will be my EI. So this particular figure will be the relationship between the U versus my whatever the distance, right? So depending upon, so the small distance, if we will consider as a ds, and the total distance we will consider, this is the x plane, and the this plane we will consider the what is my breakdown voltages. Okay, so u0 we have a certain values of the breakdown voltages. So due to the values, so you will see that at the point of 0, that means whenever the values of d is equals to 0, so what will be, so my value of u0 will be supposed to be 0. Okay, so supposed to be u0, sorry, supposed to be u0, right, whatever the values of u. So at the certain point, supposed to be this point, supposed to be 1, this point supposed to be 2, this is 3, and supposed to be this is 4. So whenever the values of d is equal to 1, so let us assume these things. Okay, so let us assume this, if d is equal to 1, so whatever my value supposed to be this will be, or we can say that this value, if I consider this value, if this portion will be 1, so whenever my d is equals to 1, so for that case is my value of u is equals to ui, right? So whenever my values of ui, so this portion will be my ui, right? And at the values of 2, whatever my values of u, that will be my supposed to be ue. Okay, so that particular graph that will signify the relationship between the breakdown voltages due to the partial breakdown of a such electrodes, and as well as depending upon whatever the gap distance we are putting for the corona discharge. Okay, so that thing we have to consider, right? So again, so this equation is also been signified the particular graph. Okay, so I think we will stop the session for today. We will again meet at to meet I think in the Tuesday. Okay, if the time permit. Okay, so we will stop the session for today. We will again come on Tuesday. Okay, thank you very much. So we will stop my sharing.